Get ready for an exciting journey because the adventure begins at your library. Join Fairfax County Public Library's Summer Reading Adventure and earn rewards as you read. The program is super simple. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up. Visit your local library or go to fairfaxcounty.beanstack.com. Step 2. Track your progress. Earn virtual badges by reading books, completing activities, or a combination of both. Read anywhere and everywhere. No matter what you're up to, bring a book with you. You can even download books, then read or listen to them wherever you are. Or have someone read to you. That counts too. Step 3. Get prizes. Finishers receive coupons for summer treats and activities, outings at Fairfax County Park Authority facilities, and more. Step 4. Connect with us. All summer long, join the adventure. Experience magic, music, STEM activities, and more. Check your local branch to find out what activities are near you. Go online and get started today with the Fairfax County Public Library's Summer Reading Adventure. And enjoy your summer.